Detect corrosion in pipe X-ray images using ReliVision AI platform. Fully on-premise. Fully under your control. This application uses a proprietary semantic segmentation algorithm focused on detecting corrosion. Follow these simple steps to build, train, deploy, and maintain your AI solution, all using the same platform. Step 1. Annotate. Log in to ReliUI and start a new session. Go to the gallery and import X-ray images of pipes. Create an annotation set and define annotation states. Use the polygon tool to manually annotate regions with corrosion. Step 2. Train. Navigate to the training page and start a new training session. Choose semantic segmentation as the task type. Select your dataset and split it into training and test sets. Name your model and load default training parameters. Start training once the data sync is complete. Step 3. Deploy. Create your AI inspection pipeline by uploading your image set and adding the segmentation block. Select an image set in the trained model. Click Execute to run predictions. View predicted corrosion areas and performance metrics. Go to the pipeline editor and deploy your pipeline to Reli Audit. The audit results will be displayed in Reli Web. Relimetrics, AI you own. Trusted by leaders in complex, high-variation industrial manufacturing. Download for free today.